Hey guys, this is your friend Izibra Media. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome, and I encourage you to subscribe so that when I drop a video that I'm about to explain to you this moment, you'll be notified easily and get in touch. Then if you have subscribed to my channel, you are also welcome, and stay tuned as I'll be showing you on how to get 100 USDT on Binance by just completing your KYC verification. That will say, I will be showing you now on how to get $100 on your Binance account by just simply completing your KYC verification. And I will be dropping the link below my the description rather. So when you use that link, so you click on that link, it will take you to this particular place that you are seeing right away on your screen. So the link will be pinned down on my description below. So let's assume you have seen the link and you just click on the link. It will take you to your phone. If you are using phone, whether it's Android phone or iOS or even your computer, this is how it's going to show up. Then you say, dear user, as per our terms and use and compliance with local regulation, this service may not be accessible to users in this region. Please log into your account to access your usual services. So this is just a normal write-up. So what you need to do, you also click OK. Now it will take you to where you say help me now. And remember I said that you'll be able to, if you complete your KYC verification, you'll be having the chance of any 100 USDT, just like that, nothing more. So when you click on your link and take you to this place, you click where you say help now. You click on it and you wait for it to load. While it is loading, it will show up this way. That will say, since you are not you have not signed up on Binance, this is what is going to show you. But if you have signed up or you are Binance user, it will also bring this to you as well. But if you are new on Binance, what you need to do is to say need an entity account sign up. That will say you do not have an account, so you click on sign up and fill in your details. But if you already have an account on Binance, just what you need to do is just to verify your account, meaning that you have a Binance account before, so you just want to verify that Binance account. So what you need to do is just to log in your details and you move on. But let's assume you have no account, with Binance. So what you need to do is just to click on where it says continue with Google. You click on it, then you wait for it to load. Now these are my emails, so you click on any of your email, but because of this tutorial I'll be using one of my emails here. I'll click on this email and you confirm. By the time you confirm, you wait for it to confirm itself. Just my email here and you confirm it. You see, you did the confirmation. Yeah, if you say refer ID, you can cancel this. It doesn't mean you can cancel that, because that one is telling you, it's noticing you that since someone refer you, you have to put the person's referral ID on that place. So if you request for it, I will drop it below my description below so that you put it. But it doesn't matter. You can just write on by clicking on confirm. You confirm, then you wait for it to load. They say it's like network is disturbing. Now you can see said account created, because I've reloaded it again. So account created, you click done. So when you click done, you wait for it to load again. Now it says stay logged in. Yes, you say yes. You can say don't show this message again on this device, but I don't like that. I will say yes. Just go on to say yes. You wait for it to load. Now it will take you down to your, you click on say okay, it will take you down to your account. Good. You say existing account detected. It's like I have an account on that place before. So you click OK. Now this is what it's going to do. You click OK. You go to where it says, yeah, you see I've already received 34.47 USDT just for signing up now, right? So if I share this link now to my friends, I'll be able to receive extra 50 USDT. You see it here. So when I share this link to my friend to use this link to sign up to, I will receive extra USDT. Remember, I already have 34 USDT. That is 34.47 USDT. You add that to that 50, I'll be having 84 USDT if I'm not mistaken. You'll be able to withdraw it when it is $100 as a threshold. You see, but this is what we are going to do now. For you to receive it, you go to where this particular place here, where you say your account service. You go to where it says identification. You click on identification. To take you down to where you are able to verify your account in order for you to earn that $100. So you see where it says identification. Now you can see it says get verified. Get verified. Now if you look at what you need to do in order for you to get verified, you go and read this identity verification. Let's read that place first and see what it says. It says identity verification for buying crypto with credit debit card or Binance. What are source of funds and source of wealth? So these are FAQ, that is frequently asked questions that you like to read. But we're not using that. Let's go to where we are verifying our accounts. Say get your account verified. You click on say get it verified. Then you wait for it to load. Now it will be asking you what you need to do. You see, you have to continue with browser. We go to our browser. We're already there. So if you are from Nigeria, it will show you your Nigeria. As at the time I'm doing this video, I'm in Nigeria. So you can see that we have other countries. If you look at it very well, you can see that we have many countries that can access this use Binance. So the country you are, you click it. So I'm in Nigeria. That's why my O is showing like that. So what I need to do is also say complete the following steps to verify your account in 7 minutes. Your personal information, your government issue ID, liveness check, then you continue. So now we want to say you put your name, your middle name, your last name. That is how it goes. So I'm not creating an account because I already have a Binance account before. You get it? I already have a Binance account. So the moment you just follow up the steps, it's not hard. You follow up the steps. I'm not canceling it. Say, are you sure you want to leave? Complete verification now and get up to 100 USDT in rewards. You see? So if I leave now, I will not be able to get this $100. That's why it's important that you complete the verification in order for you to get your $100 instantly. Easy peasy. So now I am not doing a verification because I already have an account. That's what I said before. If you look at up here, say unverified. You can see it say unverified. So now you have to complete it by yourself. It's not hard. You follow up accordingly. I don't want Binance to have any issue with one I have before. I would have said, okay, for the sake of this tutorial, let me complete this for you to see. But because of the policies, don't want to break the policies. so that they will not go and close my first account and have funds there. So I don't want any issues. So friends, this is how it goes. Please try to verify your account and earn your money instantly. So this is how it goes. If you want to receive more information like this, I will encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I drop video, you'll be notified easily. Thank you and see you in my next video next time.